Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today we're going to show you how to remove and replace the light bulb on a Honda Civic. This one will be from 2006 until 2011. As you can see, the tail light works, but the brake light, as you can see, this one works, but on this side it's not working at all. So stay with us to see how we're going to fix that. We also have a video how to fix the light in the third brake light right here that doesn't work as well. Alright guys, it will be the same procedure for the left and the right side as well. In order to access the tail light and the bulbs, you need to remove a few clips here. Just like that, you can pry them open a little bit with the screwdriver, and after that you can pull them with the pliers. Sometimes they tend to break. They sell them pretty inexpensive replacements if you accidentally break one. Okay, this one came out without breaking it, and now you need to pull that liner out, and that's where your tail light is. So if you need to replace the bulbs now, what you need to do, you turn to the left, okay, like that, about 30 degrees, and you pull the bulb out. Okay, the one right there, this is the turn signal light bulb, and you just install it the same way. You just make sure you go in the slots and turn it to the right until it clicks, it locks, okay, like that. And now the brake light and the tail light, they're on top, and those, if they haven't been removed, they'll be stuck pretty good. Okay, and you come out of there. Okay, and this is the one that is burned. You can see how black it is, and you just grab with your fingers and pull it out. Okay, just like that, guys. And now you need to get the replacement one right there, and you install it just the same way. You push it in the clip there. Okay, and you just push it in, okay, until it clicks like that. And now you need to go back in the slot, find the slot, and turn it to the right about 30 degrees this time. Now guys, we are going to test the brake light now, see if it works. Okay, tail light works and brake light works as well. So that's how it is, guys. Thank you for watching. Hopefully guys the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.